just made it down here, and Caden's getting ready to have his test done. We got to be here at 7. It's 6:41. The traffic is crazy. We overslept a little bit, but we're okay. Made it on time. There's Caden. So anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. Alright, so we made it to the hospital. Somebody just ran that red light. I mean, yeah, Caden, why'd they do that? It's rainy day. Ooh, it's raining. Good morning, Chelsea. How are you this morning?
Good, but kind of not good at the same time because my hair is bad.
Don't worry, we'll wash it. Caden's
Oh,
spinning.
because my hair looks bad.
It doesn't look bad. Hey guys, so Caden is on the iPad right now, and they just put a IV in his arm. The IV went okay. Yeah, I know. They had to stick him twice. So he's like me, he has rolling veins. But anyway, he's on an iPad that they gave to him, and he found the same toy or cartoon that he plays on my phone. So we're just waiting to go back. They just explained to me everything that's gonna happen. So we're just ready to go. Say go. So Chelsea and I, Caden is having his test done. We're getting breakfast, right?
She means surgery.
No, it's not surgery. It's just a hearing test. They had to put him to sleep.
No,
So here's
I
our
believe it's
breakfast.
surgery.
And we got some juice. So say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
This is my breakfast.
Hey guys, just wanted to get back on here and let you guys know Caden's test results. His results came back fine. Everything is great. His hearing is good, and I'm really excited to get this good news because it only took 4 failed hearing tests to get to this day. So I'm really happy about it. So thank you guys for following us today. We had a long day. I am sleepy. Caden is in his room getting some much needed rest because he went to bed late, and I'm going to take me a nap as well.